you can see the culture section now. It's 11 pages. Here you have the opening, the overview page, and just a little bit already on Taoism, Confucianism, Mandarin, the extraordinary ancient innovations that China pioneered that mean their capitalism's ancient ancestors. They discovered and gave the world innovative paper, block printing, compass, silk, astronomy, geometry, abacus, gunpowder, and that's like probably not even half of the number of real, really significant historic inventions in the ancient world by China. Again, what happened in the Tang Dynasty, the old Silk Road, crucial now to understand the Belt and Road Initiative. Chinese New Year, really starting to spread it around the world. Celebrations even in the Middle East this year. In the UAE, I believe, very much across Southeast Asia, Indonesia, Philippines, Malaysia. And you need to understand Chinese culture because American capitalism was innovated around Western culture and American super consumers. Chinese capitalism, Chinese innovation of the Fourth Industrial Revolution is being designed around Chinese super consumers. Chinese culture is what influences the innovations. China's ancient history. You can see some fantastic videos about China, and you can see some videos of technology being utilized in Chinese culture. Grottos. Very interesting in Henan. And then you can see the 10 sections: arts, Chinese festivals, Chinese food, geography, history, Mandarin, philosophy, spirituality, TCM, and travel. So then 100 pages crash course in the research. In Chinese festivals, you can just very concisely and succinctly learn like the key Chinese festivals, and how they're celebrated. Chinese New Year, Dragon Boat Festival, Mid-Autumn Festival. See a video on Chinese New Year and some technologies being utilized to celebrate. Mid-Autumn Festival. see forming the legendary dragon. You can see more in the spirituality slide, and then introduced to Chinese food. Who doesn't love Chinese food and understand each region, what, what the different cuisines, how diversified they are. Some great videos how tofu is made, drones delivering food now in Shenzhen. We can watch the how food's delivered by nature on drones in Shenzhen.
In the southern Chinese tech city, Shenzhen, your next takeout lunch could be delivered by drone. More and more companies are using the low-flying robots to help with last-mile delivery services, with food orders being especially convenient.
I work in the
Just extraordinary that reality already. In China, you just order something, whatever. Maybe you want some dumplings, and later on they're gonna deliver it by drone. You see this video how to make mapo tofu. So you can see the extraordinary process and ancient cooking techniques, really, that go into how to prepare, cultivate in the fields with the soybeans, then prepare, grind them down into to the paste mixture, and then it's got to dry it out. It's an extraordinary process. Chinese geography, Chinese history. You can learn about the major dynasties. 4 times China an economic superpower Yuan and Qing dynasties. The vast majority of global history, China had the leading GDP and levels of development. It's natural for China in history to lead the world. More innovations, deep drilling, for example. Some great videos. Learn how woodblock printing, the ancient technique, was developed. We can see here how virtual augmented reality being used in historical exhibitions, learn about Chinese history, Chinese culture. So you can see technology really being utilized in China, just in terms of immersing in the culture. Very innovative. Philosophy, understanding Confucianism and Taoism, very crucial. Get an introduction to both. You can just see this video quickly using AI to understand Chinese philosophy.
1. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. 2. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. 3. The best way to predict the future is to create it. 4. The more you learn, the more you realize you don't know. 5. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others.
Some very profound advice there, and extraordinary utilizing AI to convey it. Traditional Chinese medicine, understand how this ancient scientific theory was developed. See how virtual reality is being utilized in TCM. Spring, it's now spring, so there's some great seasonal lessons here in that video. And you can just see how VR is being harnessed in Beijing to learn about acupuncture. see the chi energy being stimulated and released through the body, through the needles. But extraordinary digital learning now, and the use of VR in education in China. And travel in China is extraordinary places. Jianyuan in Guizhou, get some great ideas where to travel. In Sichuan, Xinjiang, Wuhan, Jiangxi. Some great videos there, and you can just see how virtual reality is being utilized in tourism now in Georgia.
Number 4, number 3, number 2, number
1. Certainly looks fun, and just a whole new way of learning, like that, and traveling now with virtual reality. Incredible tourism experiences. So that's the culture section, and then at the back you have the shop to purchase the research, and buy smaller sections if you want, executive summaries, and then each deck of a dictionary you can buy one at a time. So you just start on 300 beginner words, and there's 1,200 over the 4 decks, and then you can move into the 14 intermediate decks with 5,000 more flashcards, and then eventually 10 conversation decks, and each one has samples to just view. So there you go. That's the website of Digital Dragon Dynasty. So hope you liked it, and look forward to you guys visiting the site in detail in your own time.